Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 18th, 2024, down by the new pond construction area down here. We didn't get much rain this morning or overnight. We only got, just a tenth of an inch each time, I think. And yesterday I came down here, day before yesterday, I cut out a couple more of the marginal zones, so these will all get planted up. Everything's going to be planted here, but this marginal zones, the cattails, the reeds, the rushes, the pick growth, all of those plants, really important. Then as we get up a little bit higher, we'll be putting the cardinal flowers, the ferns, as you can see some of the ferns around here, and all. So, and over a couple of days, I got these marginal plants from the upper beaver pond. And yesterday I excavated back a little bit more and started getting some of the boulders here. And I ran out of boulders last night when I was doing this. It's hard to tell, but these are some pretty big boulders. These are a few tons. Probably over 5,000 pounds. The two on the ends, probably the other one's just about 4,000 pounds. Maybe 5,000 pounds. These ones probably are 6,000 pounds. But I got to go up our road that I put in a year ago to the new property there and see if I can find some more. I know I've got a bunch more about this size here, so I can build my somewhat of a retaining wall here, and then we'll plant on this side as well. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go hunt, take Elon, see if I can hunt for a few boulders. I wish I had some more of these big ones. I've got a couple that are bigger than this, but they're really tough to move. These ones here, I've actually got to use everything that Elon can muster up to move these big ones here. But the real big ones that I've got up over on the new pond on the new property, they're going to be dressed up around that pond. But I'm going to go see if I can find some rocks before it starts raining here. That's the agenda. Everything's pretty tight in these locations. Just trying to see. I think there's a rock right here. It's not big, but it's big enough where I could use this one. Yep. Set this one right here. So that's a pretty good size, but you got to stack quite a few of that size to make a difference. I think I see another little one right in there. Hunting for gemstones. So that's okay. Those two are pretty good. But it's really hard to see, especially it's all overcast and all. Just trying to see what we got here. We'll fill in that hole. Another one right there by that dead tree. Grab that one. much easier when early spring or winter, but when it's winter it's almost impossible to do some of this work until I get these roads better. But they're coming. Each year the roads are getting better.
I used to curse the stones beneath my feet, breaking my back, couldn't find no relief. Those rocks were deep, they grind and then they bruise, but deep down I knew they had their own use. Now I love those rocks, every single stone. With Elon by my side, they find a new home. From the woods to the wall, we lift them high, building landscapes that reach toward the sky. In the woods, there's treasure buried deep, old stone walls where secrets sleep. Elon digs, and I lay them with pride, turning hard work into beauty side by side. Each rock holds a story etched in time, whispers of ages of a life so prime. From mountains high to rivers that flow, they've journeyed far more than we'll ever know. Now I love those rocks, every single stone. With Elon by my side, they find a new home. From the woods to the wall, we lift them high, building landscapes that reach toward the sky. Cracked and weathered, yet strong they remain, silent witnesses to sun, wind, and rain. They speak of the past, of Earth's mighty hand, now part of our world in the walls that stand. Used to hate the weight, the strain on my bones, now I see the art in the grit and the groans. Every boulder tells a story, every stone's got a place. In the hands of a dreamer, they shape the space. Now I love those rocks, every single stone. With Elon by my side, they find a new home. From the woods to the wall, we lift them high, building landscapes that reach toward the sky. So here's to the rocks, the earth's true gold, in every shape and size, both new and old. We turn them into wonders, landscapes to see. Rocks we once hated now set us free. Woke up this morning, looked in the mirror, saw my reflection, and it all got clear. There's something about those flowing strands, tells the story of who I am. I love long hair, let it blow in the breeze, a symbol of freedom, a piece of me. From the roots to the ends, it grows with pride. I love long hair, let it ride through the ages and the sands of time. Warriors and dreamers with locks so fine, from the ancient shores to the city streets. Long hair tells a tale that can't be beat. Every strand's a memory, a journey untold, whispering secrets from the days of old. It wraps around my shoulders like a gentle embrace, a reminder of my journey and the dreams I chase. Some say it's a phase, just a passing trend, but long hair is a statement, a message I send. It's the art of expression, the strength of my song in a world of changes. It's where I belong. I love long hair, let it blow in the breeze, a symbol of freedom, a piece of me. From the roots to the ends, it grows with pride. I love long hair, let it ride through the ages and the sands of time. Warriors and dreamers with locks so fine, from the ancient shores to the city streets. Long hair tells a tale that can't be beat. Through the ages and the sands of time, warriors and dreamers with locks so fine, from the ancient shores to the city streets. Long hair tells a tale that can't be beat. When the wind picks up, I feel alive. With my long hair dancing, I start to thrive. In a world so fast, it's my constant grace. My long hair's a journey, a time and space. In the morning light, in the evening glow, every lock is shining, let my true self show. Through the storms and sunshine, it grows with me, a testament of courage and identity. I love long hair, let it blow in the breeze, a symbol of freedom, a piece of me. From the roots to the ends, it grows with pride. I love long hair, let it ride. It's more than just hair, it's a part of my soul. Every strand a chapter, every curl a goal. Through ups and downs, it's my lifelong friend. With my long hair flowing, I feel the wind. Now it's turning gray as the years go by, silver threads shining, reaching for the sky. Tied in a ponytail, it swings with grace, a badge of my journey, a time and place. From the mountains high to the ocean's roar, my long hair's a story that I adore. It's seen the world, felt the sun and rain. In my heart, it'll always remain. So here's to the long locks, wild and free, a tapestry of life, a legacy. I love long hair, it's a part of my soul. With every wave and curl, I feel whole.
In the riparian zone, where the land meets the stream, willows and alders in the sunlight gleam. Grasses sway gently, reaching for the sky, home to the creatures that wander by. We're building a haven, a sanctuary's call, where life can flourish and nature stands tall. With every layer and every stage, creating a pond where ecosystems engage. In the emergent zone, where reeds stand proud, frogs and insects gather, a lively crowd. Cattails and bulrushes reaching high, sheltering life beneath the sky. We're crafting a refuge where flora and fauna unite, edges and margins, an ecosystem so bright. With every contour and every plant, nurturing life in the water and land. In the submergent zone, beneath the waves, pondweed and coontail gently sway. Fish and snails in the aquatic embrace, finding a home in this tranquil space. Floating leaves on the surface, lilies in bloom, providing shade and reducing the algae's room. In the open water, the pelagic zone, where fish swim freely and life is grown. Designing a pond, a natural masterpiece, where water flows and life's symphony never ceases. From shoreline to deep, in harmony it grows, creating a world in these beautiful zones. zones. In the benthic zone, on the muddy floor, decomposers work, always striving for more. Crayfish and worms in the silty deep, turning decay into life, secrets they keep. We're building a haven, a sanctuary's call, where life can flourish and nature stands tall. With every layer and every stage, creating a pond where ecosystems engage. Designing a pond, a natural masterpiece, where water flows and life's symphony never ceases. From shoreline to deep, in harmony it grows, creating a world in these beautiful zones. Diversity blooms where edges unfold, turtles and birds in the landscape so bold. With every element carefully planned, we nurture the earth with our own hands. Diversity blooms where edges unfold, turtles and birds in the landscape so bold. With every element carefully planned, we nurture the earth.
Well,
with
I
our
was
own
able
hands.
to go over and get some rocks from the stone wall on the new property area there. So I think these are going to work out just fine. So I'll place those in around here, possibly tomorrow. We've had a couple of rain showers come through, and Doppler says we've got another significant one coming. I really like this rock a lot. They're all very nice. But yeah, got some nice rocks here. I should be able to get at least my main border done around here, hopefully tomorrow if things work out okay. So yeah, used to dread working with rocks, but when you have a nice piece of equipment, then you can really appreciate them. So that's it for today's video, folks. Looks like we're about to get rained out. I hope you stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Take care now. Bye-bye.